Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can find a California contractor's license number. So it's very easy to do, it's very simple, so let's just get right in. So you're going to want to go to cslb.ca.gov, and on this website, you're basically just going to get a lot of resources. Now, you're going to want to look for this option right here, the Find My License Contractor. Just go ahead and click it, and then here you have the option to just choose what city that person is from. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be choosing let's search up a C36 plumbing contractor, and then we're going to search up, let's see, Anaheim, California. So all we're going to go ahead and do is just type in the city and then go ahead and click search. And then here it shows you all of the available license numbers that are active and that are doing plumbing. So basically, you'll be able to find whatever contractor that is doing work for you. You'll be able to find them on here and see if they're actually licensed or not. So that's basically how you do it. That's how you find a licensed contractor in California. Hopefully you found the video helpful, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you all for the next video.